Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage your insurance portfolio with Chubb easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Chubb account on their official website. If you don't have an account yet, click on the register button to create one. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard where you can view all your policies. Click on the Policies tab to see a detailed list of your insurance coverages. Select a policy you wish to manage by clicking on it. Here, you can review your coverage details, including limits and deductibles. To make changes, look for the Edit option within the Policy section. You can update your personal information, add beneficiaries, or change coverage limits as needed. After making your updates, click Save Changes to ensure all modifications are applied. If you wish to add a new policy, return to the dashboard and click on the Get a Quote button. Fill in the required information for the new policy you desire. Review the coverage options presented and select the one that best fits your needs. Once you've chosen a policy, follow the prompts to complete your application. After applying, keep an eye on your email for confirmation and policy details. For any questions, use the support feature to contact customer service. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your insurance portfolio with Chubb. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.